I'm Roy Potter, a former U.S. Army Lieutenant Colonel. Welcome to the Potter Exposit. Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is kind of a special impromptu. It is recorded, it's not a live stream. It's just better for it this way when we have busy internet services around here and it's hard to do a live stream. Today was the hearing to interview Dr. Ford and to interrogate Judge Kavanaugh. And I'm not going to say much about either one of those people about what happened today. There have been a lot of folks out there discussing it. Sean Hannity, Michael Cernovich, Jack Posobiec, Lou Dobbs, everyone is talking about it. I did not a blow-by-blow, but at each break I did a real quick summary of my concerns on Periscope. And you can go to Periscope if you have Twitter, or if you don't, you can just go to Periscope and just type in @ capital ROYSTON, capital POTTER, no spaces in between. That's @ Royston Potter. It's the same handle as on my Twitter account. And you can see the comments number 1 through 6 that I made there in regards to today's hearing. Like I say, there's been a lot of other information out there on it, so I don't want to spend a lot of time on this tonight. What I wanted to talk about were the two main reasons why the leftist Marxists that are in control of the Democratic Party, especially people like Feinstein and Harris, etc., did what they did to Judge Kavanaugh and how they used Dr. Christine Ford. The purpose of why they did that. And there are really kind of two major reasons. The first is, and a lot of people, there'll be an argument about this, but the Roe versus Wade situation with abortion. That's kind of the one that they're throwing out there for everybody to see. Not that it isn't true, because it is. That is part of the issue. But the other reason is a clip that I want to show you here, and it's from the original confirmation hearing of Judge Kavanaugh, when he's being questioned by Lindsey Graham about a particular aspect of law. And so, without further ado, I want you to see this. If you're involved in trying to retain your power, and if you've had it for a long time, and if your plans to seize more power and to take tyrannical control get slowed down or even stopped, you become ruthless. Let's put it that way. And in this situation here, it's not just ruthless, it's becoming deadly. And the reason why is because these people realize that if things continue to go the way that we've been trying to get them to go, which is to restore the constitutional republic and to hold those accountable who have done the things that they've done to our country and to our countrymen, that what is discussed here, what they heard discussed here in this clip that I'm going to show you, is an imminent threat to their tyrannical authoritarian plans, and indeed even to themselves. So please watch this and give it some thought. Here we go.
Isn't there also a long-settled law that it goes back to the Eisentrager case? I can't remember the name of it.
Yeah, Johnson versus Eisentrager.
Right. That American citizens who collaborate with the enemy have considered enemy combatants.
They can be. They can be. They're sometimes criminally prosecuted, sometimes treated in the military.
Well, let's talk about can be. I think
under Supreme Court precedent.
Right.
Yeah.
There's a Supreme Court decision that said that American citizens who collaborated with Nazi saboteurs were tried by the military. Is that correct?
That is correct.
I think a couple of them were executed.
Yeah.